Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a remedy that will help you so much to conceive very fast. Okay, so in case you are new here, have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll be adding a very wonderful seed into this treatment. This seed is very effective. It will help so much to clean your uterus in case you have any remnants, in case you have impurities, or you want to detox your uterus. This works very well. Or you want to make your eggs to be very strong, very active. This remedy is for you. So I've made a video concerning this particular topic. Yeah, that is working so well, and I love it because people have been commenting how effective it has been working. But in this video I'll be making use of a separate ingredient. They all work very well. Okay, all you have to do is just to use it. Try it out. There's no harm in trial. Okay, so this will help so much to increase your eggs, make your eggs to be very strong and very active, prepare you to meet the male fluid. You know what I mean? The male fluid. So this is going to get rid of toxins that stops you from getting pregnant. In case you have irregular period, you don't have to worry because this is going to bring back your period. In case you don't really know when your ovulation comes, because your ovulation is not so strong and it doesn't give you any symptoms when it's coming, this remedy will help you so much. Alright, so without wasting time, let's just quickly go straight into this remedy. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. Guys, let's go straight into this remedy now. So this is one of the things you need to boost your ovulation, to conceive faster. Okay, so this ingredient is very powerful, guys. It's one of the best ingredients you can use to conceive faster, to boost your ovulation, to have quality eggs. Yeah, you want to clean your uterus to conceive faster. This is one of the ingredients you can use, and to help you so much to increase the chance of getting pregnant, you know, of having a quality egg, to conceive twins, or to conceive a single baby. Okay, so yeah, using this to conceive twins is just possible. Okay, it's very possible because this will help to ensure your ovulation is stable. It will make sure your eggs are very strong to meet with a male fluid, you know, to conceive very fast. This is actually called moringa seed. Moringa seed is very like a superfood for you in case you want to conceive, in case you want to be very healthy, to prepare your uterus to conceive faster. This is what you need. They have the leaf, the powder, and this is the seed. In this video I'm going to be showing you what you can combine with this to make it very effective. So moringa seed is an excellent source of antioxidants. Yes, it's full of antioxidants. Okay, and will help you to combat oxidative damage that can interfere with male fluid. You know what I mean by male fluid. So this will make sure your eggs are very strong, so that when the male fluid comes, it will just run fast and fertilize and conceive very fast with no side effects. So this is what you need. Only one like this, one seed, will help you so much. But you want to increase it. There's no dosage. Okay, you can just use 2 or more. Like now I'm going to use just this amount, and it's still very okay. So what you do is to blend it into a powdering form. Okay, like this. Just add everything into your dry blender. Okay, so I'm going to go blend it, which I'll come back very soon and join you guys. So after blending it, yeah, this is how it is. Very easy to blend. So after this, I'll be transferring it into a clean bowl like this, a dry bowl, of course. Just add it into a bowl. Okay, so this is now the seed powder. Okay, they have the leaf powder, which is actually green. I've made use of the powder form, okay, the moringa powder, in one of my videos, but I use that to control weight. I'm going to set this aside and introduce you guys the next ingredients. Okay, so next we're going to be making use of banana. Yeah, the green, the yellow, the ripe, anyone. So they are all very effective. Just make sure it's a ripe banana. Okay, bananas are rich in potassium and vitamin B6. They help in improving fertility in case you are infertile, like trying to conceive, you want to boost your ovulation, you want to have quality eggs to conceive faster. Banana is one of the things you should try. Help to improve male fluid and egg quality, and also help to regulate reproductive hormones to conceive very, very quickly. So this is what you need. Yeah, I'll be making use of just one of the banana. This is very okay because just one glass cup. Yeah, so after this I'll be cutting it into smaller size like this, which I'm also going to be transferring into a blender. Okay, this is a wet blender. Okay, just transfer it in here. So next is milk. You need milk to boost your chances of conceiving faster. So this is going to make sure your eggs are very strong, very active, very ready to conceive. You need whole milk, those that contain all the nutrients in them. So whole milks are just like regular milks you use at home. You can make use of the liquid, you can make use of the powdery form. So this, I'm going to add it to the blender as well, just like this. Yeah, so little of this is just okay. You don't really need a full glass cup for it to work well. You want it to be in a large quantity, you just have to double the ingredients. I'll just go blend it. I'll be right back. So after blending it, yeah, I'm going to transfer it into a glass cup. This is so nourishing. It's going to keep you so healthy, supply your body with adequate nutrients. In case you are lacking so many nutrients that stop you from conceiving, this will help you so much. Addition of this will help so much to boost it, to make it to conceive very fast. Supply your body with the right nutrients, quality eggs, make your ovulation to be so active. In case your addition of this will make sure it's always ready for the male fluid to come, so that it will just conceive and bear a very beautiful baby. This can as well make you to conceive twins. When your eggs are very active, very strong, you have chances of conceiving twins. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding 1 full tablespoon of moringa seed. Yeah, so this is now a powder. So I'll just transfer it into the drink like this and mix it like this and like this. Oh my goodness, this is very, very good for you. You want to boost your chances of conceiving faster. You want to have quality eggs. You want to bear twins. Yeah, conceive twins. This is very rich. It will help you so much. So after mixing it up like that, you just have to take it anytime, an empty stomach or not. Take a glass cup or half cup like this, any amount, just take it. It will help you so much. But if you make a full glass cup, it's also very good. Okay, and drink it any time of the day, in the morning, afternoon, or at night. This does not have any dosage and there's no side effects, so you have to take it every day. And you can as well take this remedy anytime of your cycle. You can take it during your period, you can take it during your ovulation, you can take it anytime. Yeah, this is just a supplement that will nourish your body and make sure you have quality eggs. Okay, so that is all for now. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you next time.